Manipur Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal has emphasized the government's commitment to strengthen the state's handloom and handicraft sector by making it a competitive industry apart from being a cultural tradition for Manipuris. He was speaking as a chief guest at the celebration of National Handloom Day 2025 that was organized by Directorate of Handloom and Textiles at City Convention Centre, Palace Compound, Imphal on the theme Threads of Tradition, Weaving Culture Through Handlooms Today. Speaking further, the Chief Secretary highlighted the age-old traditions of the Manipuri society that intertwines handloom and handicrafts, stating that a unique tradition occupies a significant place in terms of social and cultural identity. He remarked that the traditional attires of different communities have introduced the state in the international level, adding that over 2 lakh artisans produce 750 handloom designs and over 26 types of handicrafts. Punit Kumar Goyal also emphasized that the state government has been taking up various initiatives for promoting the state's handloom and handicrafts in collaboration with the Ministry of Textiles, including training programs and providing marketing support and raw materials. He added that such initiative has boosted the sector by providing source of income to many families. During the function, the Chief Secretary virtually launched a small cluster development project at Lairoching in Senapati district under National Handloom Development Project. It also featured 14 stalls of various cluster groups from different districts displaying varied products. Apart from screening a short film titled Manipur, Threads of Heritage, Hands of Prosperity, a book titled From Loom to Legacy, Crafts Story of Manipur was also released in the function. Cash awards were also presented to several artisans who achieved outstanding performances in the modernization of handicrafts 2023-24.
The weaving traditions of Manipur are deeply embedded in our social and cultural identity. From the vibrant Farnik, the elegant Moirang Fi to the intricate Wang Ke Fi, each product is not just a piece of fabric but a narrative of heritage passed down generations. Over 2.5 lakh handloom workers, majority of them women, contribute to this vibrant sector in our state. Their skills and dedication have earned Manipur a well-deserved place on the national handloom map. Our objective is to make handloom not just a cultural tradition, but a thriving competitive industry that empowers families and communities. When we empower a weaver, we not only preserve our heritage, but also weave stronger communities, resilient economies, and a proud future. Thank you. Jai Hind.